The PC6 PCB connector for energy bus systems enables you to implement your cross-device energy distribution quickly and easily. Simply route conventional conductors without pretreatment through the connectors and tighten the screws. The combined effect of piercing screw and shear sleeve ensures that the conductor reliably makes contact. The indicator always indicates the position of the piercing screw to you. Ensure the required touch protection by means of the end cap. Your energy distribution bus is maintenance-friendly and touch-proof even when not plugged in.